Hey there everyone, welcome to another video of Foxandroid. So in this video we're gonna learn how to retrieve an image from the Firebase storage, right? So let me just give you a demonstration of what we can get by the end of this video. If I just go to my Firebase console, so here is this project. If I just go to storage, so here is this image directory. If I just go inside it, so we have got certain images inside this directory, right? So for example, the image's name has been kept as ABCDE. If I just want to fetch any image, as you can see on my mobile screen, if I type the name of the image, for example, if I type D and click on this get image button, so you can see an image has been fetched from the storage. So if we see the image name D there in the Firebase storage is same as we have retrieved inside our Android application. So if you want to learn the same thing and want to implement the same feature inside your application, make sure you watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for receiving the notification of the upcoming videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So first thing we need to do is to connect our Android application to a Firebase project. So for that, we'll go to Tools, Firebase, and Assistant window will open up on the right side. And here we'll go to this cloud storage for Firebase. We'll expand this, get started, connect to Firebase. Now this will open up a console window inside our browser. So we'll add a project, name it according to your application, continue, accept, create project. Now it will create a project for us. So guys, the project has been created. Press on this continue button, press on this connect window. Okay, our project has been connected. Now we need to add certain dependencies. For that, click on this button, accept changes. So it will add the dependencies to our project and start the build. It may take a while, so I'm gonna skip this. Okay guys, the dependencies has been added to our project, and now we have connected our app to our Firebase project. Now first we're gonna design the front end part. So now let me quickly just design this screen, then I'll let you know guys what we have done, right? So okay guys, the front end has been completed. So basically we have got an image view, edit text to get the image name from the user, and a button. So whenever user presses this button, we'll fetch the image from the image view. So now we'll quickly dive into the backend code. So before going there, we will go to build Gradle and we'll enable the view binding. So let the sync be completed. I'm gonna skip this. So now the sync has been completed, and inside this Java code, what we'll do is first we're gonna do the view binding thing. So now we'll declare a reference variable for storage reference, Firebase storage reference, right? We'll name it as storage reference only, and a progress dialog as well. So we'll set the on-click listener on the button. So binding dot get image set on-click listener. So inside this, when the user presses this button, we want to make sure that first a progress dialog should pop up. So we'll create object of progress dialog and pass the context. We'll set the message. After that, we want to fetch the name that has been entered by the user inside the edit text. So for that, we'll do binding dot et image id dot get text dot toString, right? Now we have got the image id inside this string variable. So storage reference will get the instance of this Firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference. So all our images will be placed inside the images folder, and now we'll concatenate it with the image id plus the extension, that is .jpg, right? So basically we have given the path of the image we want to fetch from the Firebase storage. So now we'll create a file object. Local file is equal to file dot create temp file. We'll give it a prefix and the suffix as well, right? Now we had to surround it with try catch, so let's do that. So okay, so now we have created a temporary local file in which we will be storing the image that we will fetch from the Firebase storage. So storage reference dot get file, and we'll store it in local file, and now we'll attach the on success listener, and we'll also attach the on failure listener, right? So now this method will be called if the image has been successfully fetched from the storage. So what we want to do here is, the very first thing is we want to dismiss the progress dialog. So we'll check if progress dialog is showing, progress dialog dot dismiss, right? The second thing we want to do is we want to get the image inside this bitmap object. So bitmap factory dot decode file, so local file dot get absolute path, right? So basically now we'll get the image inside this bitmap variable. So binding dot image view dot set image bitmap, and we'll set the image here. So we have got the file inside this local file. Then with the help of this bitmap factory class, we have decoded this file and stored it in the bitmap variable. Then with the help of this, we have set it to the image view. Now this on failure will be called if we are failed, we do not get the image for some reason. So we'll raise a toast fail to retrieve, right? And here also we want to make sure if progress dialog is showing, then progress dialog dot dismiss. So okay, we are done with everything. That is all we need to do to fetch the image from the Firebase. Now we'll go to Firebase, open our project, so retrieve image. So now we'll open this storage, get started, done. So it will create a storage bucket for us. So okay, let's create a folder here. We'll name it as images, and inside this we're gonna upload all the image, right? So okay, let this upload be completed. Okay, we are done with it. Now we need to modify the rules as we are just testing this app. So I'll just manipulate it if true. Okay, so if you're also testing your app, you should make it like that, otherwise it will not allow you to read those images due to these rules. So allowed read write if true, right? So now let me quickly install this app to my cell phone and check if it is working fine or not, right? So okay guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone. So if you can see on my mobile screen, if I just type in anything, for example G, and click on this get image, so you can see the image has been fetched from the Firebase storage. So I guess we have successfully implemented this feature into our Android application, and I also hope that you guys have understood the code. In case you have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. The Instagram username will be there on your screen right now, and I'll also put the link for the source code of this app in the description below. If you want, you can check out that source code as well. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and in case you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, press the bell notification icon for receiving the notification of the upcoming videos. So that is it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.